Hey guys, a video on Lithium Americas. Yeah, we're back below this point of control, and now this structure is a little bit messing with me. How can I count this still to be something legit and to give ourselves an excuse or like a structure to move higher still? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the best I can do. That's why this A wave is here, but then maybe this is all still part of this B wave. Inside this B wave, then A. Yeah, A wave or a W wave, then ABC here inside a larger WXY with another ABC is the best that I can think of here. Yeah, I know it's messy, but if this helps. So for this here, we want to see an ABC with an overshooting B wave, okay? So an expanded flag. Inside here, you want to see WXY inside your B wave. And if this is your A wave low, let me also add it in color here. Like this. And then of course I'm labeling this a 1 or an A wave, then a B or a 2, and then a C. But let's just focus on this corrective structure here. ABC, ABC, overshooting B wave. Of course this one overshoots by a lot, but it's really the only way I can count this. Otherwise it doesn't make a lot of sense to me. WXY, WXY, and then a 5 wave move down. So you can then say WXY here, then ABC and wave W, somehow an X here, and then ABC and a wave Y, WXY. It's really the best that I can come up with. And then you want to see a 5 wave move down in here. 1, 2, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 now, and then another 4, 5. But again, this is really difficult, okay? So maybe also a good thing is just to focus on structural levels instead of the wave count. And for that, we have these levels. I'll just leave it like this on the chart. Value area high is at $5.17. $4.82 is the point of control of this range. And then you have $4.51, the value area low. Ideally, we don't get into this volume profile again, okay? So we don't break this line. Let me add that one at least then. Up. So if this wants to move down lower, okay, but really don't lose $5.17, I think. Otherwise, we might push towards this point of control again, then the structure becomes completely fucked. And it increases the probability to take this low and try again from here, okay? And of course, yeah, why is this one so difficult? Because they don't do anything yet. They don't have revenue. The structure itself, if you zoom out, is messed up, okay? Yep, I have this trend line here, but it doesn't mean it has to go there. Yep, at some point it will probably, if this really is gonna make it, this company. But you can't buy here and say, yo, I'm gonna wait till it's here. It's not that easy, okay? It will get there, but it will be a rough road. And of course, it can always fail if the company, fucks up, okay? They don't have any revenue yet. That's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.